loves, welcome back to another one brand tutorial. So today I will be creating this look right in front of you using Nykaa cosmetic products. Over the years, Nykaa has launched so many cosmetic products, and there was this time when Nykaa used to launch like every second week. Now obviously, due to current situation, there are no more new launches, so I thought this is the right time where I can do this one brand tutorial using the products which are already existing in the market. And I have done already dedicated review on each of the products I'm going to show you today. Yes, I'm a big fan of Nykaa Cosmetic as a brand because I really like their pricing, the products. Yes, there have been some hits and misses recently. I've done a review on those products also, but during this application process, you'll know which products have changed my mind, or do they really perform the way they're supposed to. So here I am with this interesting one brand tutorial. I will be leaving everything in my description if you want to grab anything later in future. And before you jump onto the application part and you figure out all the cosmetic products from Nykaa, why don't you subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram @bronzingy. So let's get started. First up, I'm going to prep my skin with Nykaa Skin Potion in 24K Gold. I absolutely love the Nykaa Skin Potions. I have 3 different variants and I love all the 3. In particular, talking about this one, it's really lightweight. It really boosts your skin, makes it look more healthier and nourished. It is an oil-based potion, but it will not make you feel that you have applied something heavy. It takes another 1 to 2 minutes to settle down completely and just soaks up into your skin. First up, we are going to do our eyes. So I'm using Nykaa Eyes on Me palette. I absolutely love their Just Wing It palette, but I wanted to show you the application and how the Sundowner Stunner palette performs. So again, it is not the best palette by Nykaa, but if I talk about one palette out of all the 5 they have launched, I feel this is pretty good in application. The shimmers also work good. They're not at their best. So the best application and the easy application would be go in with your finger first with a shimmer, and then just take a mat and blend out the harsh lines and smooth out. Because if you go the way normally we do, putting a matte, then shimmer, matte, and then blending out, then the shimmers fades off and you have an excessive fall off. If you want to avoid all that and you want to achieve the look you have in your head, just go in with your shimmer and then blend out the harsh lines. This is how I have been using this palette and it performs pretty well. It's not the best by Nykaa, but it's not the worst by Nykaa. So you have to really take your time blending the shadow. If you will be in a hurry, the shadows may appear a little patchy. So you have to go in slow. Further, I went ahead with Nykaa's 24-hour Veil Luxe Liner. It's a liquid liner in a felt tip form in the shade Black. I absolutely love this one because it's easy application, and I am a big fan and a big sucker for felt tip liners. Anything you give me in felt tip, I can just work it out. This liner in particular by Nykaa is really up-notch, really good quality. It's just that I feel the liner may dry out faster in the jar itself. So even if you buy the liner, try using it as much as you can, or else the liner may just dry out by itself. Moving on to kajal. So I'm absolutely in love with Nykaa's all the kajal, but this one in particular is the most used kajal, and I will definitely be repurchasing the Nykaa EYEM Bold. It's one of the best kajals by Nykaa. Very smooth, very pigmented. Next up, let's move on to the face. So Nykaa Prep Me Up Primer. It's a silicone lightweight pore minimizing primer. If you have too much of pores going on your face, then it may not fill in everything. But if you have very minimal pores, then it will pore minimize it. Next up, my favorite foundation by Nykaa, the Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. One of my favorite foundation. This is my second tube. I swear by this foundation. This is the foundation which would not give you the best full coverage look, but if you're a person who likes to wear a foundation and wants to have a foundation which is lightweight and which really sits well on your skin, you don't even feel that you're wearing a foundation but you still have a base on, this is the foundation to go for. And they have launched 15 shades, so I guess you will end up getting yours. I am waiting Nykaa to launch more shades, but yes, this is the foundation you should definitely invest your money in, and it's not a very expensive foundation. It's under a budget and it will last you longer if you have too many foundations with you. But I bet you the day you buy this one and you start using this one, you will stop using most of your other foundations because this does the job. And if you're office going, college going, on the go, this is the foundation to go for. I love wearing this foundation almost all the times I'm going out, but this is a stunning foundation. So this is like a one layer and done. Next up, powder. Now I don't have the exact shade of my face powder, so I use this powder to bronze up my face because this is more of a bronzy shade for my face. Again, the quality of Nykaa pressed powder is up notch, very good quality. They blend so well. I will definitely be purchasing my face powder, my perfect shade, but this works absolutely stunning as a bronzer. We're not going for very full coverage, glamorous look. We're going for very easy peasy daily look. Next up, let's put on some blush. So this is the blush in the shade Brazilian Bombshell. Again, I feel this blush has a lot of kickback, but I still love using this blush because of the shade it has. It performs well. It's just that if I have to put my brush like 2 times, in this pan I have to dip in my brush at least 6 times because it has a lot of kickback, as I said. Moving on to highlighter. So Nykaa has amazing highlighters, and my recent love is the good old gold Nykaa shimmer brick, but today I'm using the duo highlighter, the Go Getter one. Amazing highlighter. Again, get the 24K one. It's perfectly made for Indian skin tone, and both the shades work stunningly well on Indian skin tone. Moving on to eyebrows, not one of my favorite products by Nykaa. I feel whenever I pick up this pencil, my brows go a little hanky-panky. It do get a little messy, and I end up putting a lot of product because the product is way too much pigmented. You can actually see I have put too much. Actually, I didn't even put that much, but whenever you will put in your pencil there, your eyebrows will actually, I think, suck the product. It does something, and it's not even once I have got my perfect brows with this brow pencil. So that's how it is. Not my best purchase by Nykaa, and I would not even suggest you to get one. Maybe try some other brow products by Nykaa. Moving on, I just went in with highlighter in my inner corners and on my brow bone. On brow bone, I'm using my good old gold, which I didn't show you on camera, but that's the highlighter I did use on my brow bone. Next up, to finish up the look, we will be putting a lip liner. I'm obsessed with Nykaa lip liners. Again, they're very high quality, up-notch, pigmented. So if you're looking for a good lip liner, Nykaa is the brand to go for. And there are many other brands, but this is one of the brands you can definitely put your money on. So this is in the shade Sweetheart. It's more of a magenta pink. Since my eye is more of a deep peach, I'm using more of a nude lipstick on a deeper lip liner just to match up my eye look. So I'm wearing a lipstick by Nykaa Ultra Matte Mona Lisa. And Nykaa has amazing high shine lip glosses in the shade Honey Boo. I love this shade. They have more shades, but this is one of my favorite. Nykaa does not have a mascara. So yeah, this was the last product by Nykaa I happen to use, and I absolutely love to look. The look is still not finished because I waited for my look to completely finish and then do my lower lash line, because sometimes if I put a lower lash line shadow, the look does look a little messy at times. But today's look turned out really simple, really good, and it is very easy to create. All the products I will be linking down in my description if you want to get some for yourself. But Nykaa as a cosmetic brand is one of the brands you should definitely put your money on. So here is the finished look. I love creating this one brand tutorial. I hope you loved watching this one brand tutorial on Nykaa Cosmetic. We will be back soon with some more one brand tutorials. Till then, you stay tuned on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my Instagram. Till then, you take care and see you soon.